Good morning, everybody. We are doing chapter number 6, accounting equation, and our next topic is the accounting equation based question, short question, or we can say that the formula based question. See, in this, capital is rupees 1 lakh, liability is rupees 60,000, and we have to calculate the total assets. We know that the accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital, and we have capital balance and liabilities balance. 60,000 liabilities and 1 lakh capital. The asset is 1,60,000. We know that the asset is always equal to the liabilities plus capital. इस तरीके से अगर हमें क्वेश्चन में और क्या गिवन हो, asset balance and capital balance given हो, तो हम by of these we can calculate liabilities like this. If we have in the question asset balance and liabilities balance, and by this we can calculate the capital balance by use this accounting equation. Asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. Now next is illustration 11. It commenced business on 1st April 2011 with the capital of rupees 5 lakh. On 31st March 2012, his assets rupees 780 and liabilities rupees 70,000. Find out his closing capital and profit during the year. Now, accounting equation is asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. In this question, first we have to find out the capital. The accounting equation is asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. Now we have to find out the capital balance, right? We have asset balance and liabilities balance, but we have to find out the closing capital. So by this equation, closing capital is equal to closing assets minus closing liabilities. We have closing assets 31st March 2012. Asset is closing 780 and liabilities closing liability 70,000. 7,80,000 minus 70,000. Our closing capital is 7,10,000. So next we have to find out the profit. And how we find out the profit? Capital minus closing capital minus, the formula of calculating the profit is closing capital minus opening capital. What is closing capital? We find out 7,10,000 and opening capital is given in this question. 1st April capital is opening capital, amount is 5 lakh. And the profit amount is 2,10,000. Learn these formulas. And the next question is question number 12. Surendra Mohan started business with 1st April. Capital, it is opening capital 7,50,000 and loan 2 lakh taken from the PNB. It is liability loan. And 31st March 2012, assets, closing asset are given 15 lakh. Out of his capital on 31st, find out करना है हमने क्या, capital 31st March, closing capital and profit. By this formulas we can find out, solve the A part. First we have to solve the closing capital. The formula is closing assets minus closing liabilities. Closing asset is given 15 lakh and liabilities 2 lakh. 15 lakh minus 2 lakh. The closing liability capital is 13 lakh. And next we have to find out profit. Formula of finding the profit is closing capital minus opening capital. Closing capital is 13 lakh and opening capital is given in the question 7,50,000. The amount of profit is 5,50,000. That is A part. Let's solve the B part. What is B part? If in the above illustration, part A, the proprietor had introduced additional capital 1,25,000 and had withdrawn 40,000 for personal purpose, it is drawing. Find out the profit. Now, in this question, there are two further information, additional capital and drawing. जब भी क्वेश्चन के अंदर एडिशनल कैपिटल और ड्राइंग भी आ जाए तो कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करना है? द फॉर्मूला इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपनिंग कैपिटल प्लस एडिशनल कैपिटल प्लस profit minus drawing is equal to closing capital, right? In this question this is the original formula. In your book the formula is given profit. You can use this formula when in the question additional capital and drawing is given. The further we calculate the profit by this formula, because drawing and additional capital is not given. In this question drawing additional capital is given. Now you have to apply this formula. This is original formula. In your book formula is given profit is equal to closing capital plus drawing minus additional capital minus opening capital. कहाँ से निकला ये फॉर्मूला? It is derived from this formula. We have to find out this profit. Amount is given, closing capital is given, drawing is given, additional capital is given, opening capital is given. Closing capital में जो चीज़ें माइनस थी वो प्लस हो जाएंगी, जो प्लस थी वो माइनस हो जाएंगी. Now put the amount. Closing capital, we found out the closing capital 13 lakh plus drawing amount is 40,000, additional capital amount is rupees 1,25,000 and opening capital amount is 7,50,000. By adding and minus these terms, the profit amount is rupees 4,65,000. The chapter has finished. So solves all the practical question and additional question of this chapter.